Let's have a look at week 6 for your sweat classes. So we are starting off with some interval work on Monday. We have a kind of a pacing challenge. So you'll have two sections to complete. You'll be going every 3 minutes for 6 rounds in each section. It is a 500-meter run in your first piece, and then it's a 500-meter row in your second piece. So essentially, you're going to do your 6 rounds of run, take a rest. You're going to do your 6 rounds of row, or you might complete that in the opposite format or the opposite order, I should say. Do have some targets there for you in terms of pacing, in terms of how fast you should be finishing those intervals. Goal there is to make the first and the sixth round pretty much the exact same pace wise. So what I would say is, having done this before and having watched people done this before, people tend to kind of overreach because they're fresh on that first 3 minute interval. So kind of dial it back a little bit more than you think, and then see can you kind of hold that for the remainder. We'd rather see kind of a nice even keel pace across the board as opposed to starting off really fast and then just dropping off. So nice one to start the week. Then on Tuesday, we have Revelate again. We are yet to find out what the Revelate workouts are for next week. That also goes for Thursday. Wednesday, we have a big endurance challenge. We've done this loads of times. It's 300. This is Sweat Marathon. I always really enjoyed doing this one. It is a good push. It is a good challenge. Then you can complete this however you want. So lads, you'll have to do 150 calories on the row, 150 calories on the bike. Ladies, it's 120 and 120. You'll then get 3 minutes to sanitize and rotate. Then you have another 20 minutes to complete the same 150 cals. This time it's on the ski and the bike. Ladies, it's 120 cals on the ski and the bike. Loads and loads of ways you can break that up. Do like 10 rounds, 20 rounds. You could do 5 rounds. You could do 3 rounds. You do 2 rounds. You can go straight through. You can go in reverse. Transition time will cost you a little bit, particularly when you're going from the bike to the row. It shouldn't be as bad on the bike and the ski side. Just factor that in when you're making a plan if you are coming in to do that session. So then Friday is High Rocks Run. We have been kind of steadily increasing the distances on these runs and then asking you to kind of up the pace a little bit. So this time it's a 12-minute AMRAP to start. 350-meter run, kind of 5 to 10 seconds faster than your average race pace. After that, you're going to do 20 wall balls to your target. Try and go unbroken on those wall balls. That is the goal if you can. Every 10 meters you do is going to be 1 repetition. So that's going to be scored for total rounds and repetitions. In the next section, then you'll have a 12-minute AMRAP, same 350-meter run, same pace that we want you to run at. You're going to do a 60-meter farmer carry this time. So it should be a good one. Classical High Rocks movements in there with your wall balls and farmers carry. Obviously, we're at the back end of what was the High Rocks event in Dublin. But look, regardless, we're still going to be doing High Rocks for the foreseeable future. There's loads of events. There's loads of locations that they do them. So we will be continuing on with High Rocks for the next while anyway. So if that's something that you want to get better at, well, then prioritize your Wednesday sessions and your Friday in the sweat. Enjoy your week.